weeds from the ground. Can you keep a secret? Okay, I will try. But sooner or later, the volcano's crater will erupt again. Erupt, 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 erupt again. Erupt, 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 erupt again. I can't keep it inside. A secret? What choice do I have? The door that you've opened, the seal that you've broken, you cannot shut now. Can you keep a secret? Well, why do you ask? It's clear from the gallery you're dying to tell me what's been going on. You can't keep it inside. You can't keep it inside. You can't keep it inside. Secret, honestly no. If I knew a good story, it bubbles out of me like weeds from the ground. Can you keep a secret?